Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today you are going to see how these cannellini beans are not just beans. This is a typical dish from Tuscany and then it's called fagioli all'uccelletto. You can make it also vegetarian if you want. You only take away the salsiccia. The procedure is the same. Okay? So all we need is cannellini beans, about 500 grams, 6 sausages, tomato purée, 500 grams nice San Marzano tomato, half chili, salvia, and 2 garlic. You need to know which cannellini beans you bought. I bought the dry one, so that means that I need to put them in the water for about 12 hours, and after that I need to cook them for about 1 to 2 hours until they get softer. When I cook the cannellini beans, I put inside a little bit of rosemary and no salt, only water, okay? And now we start making holes in the salsiccia, so the sauce inside, the fat. Oh, this was on a hard salsiccia. Jesus, the salsiccia made with steel. Olive oil, like 2 spoons. You smash the garlic inside. Nice. You cut the chili. I do it roughly as usual, and then inside, and the salvia inside, everything inside, and you hear it. The oil is taking, as usual, the flavor. You don't want the stuff to burn, so you like that. So you wait until the salsiccia gets brown or goldish, and it takes about 2 to 4 minutes, okay? Nice, right? Before you can make the fagioli all'uccelletto without salsiccia, so the steps are the same, but now you don't put the salsiccia, you put the tomato sauce instead, okay? Now it's the time for the San Marzano tomato sauce to get in. After 5 minutes, you put inside the tomato puree. You put also those cannellini beans. I still have a little bit of water from when I boiled the cannellini, so I don't know if I'm going to use the whole water, so I take the cannellini like that right now. I know that I need to cook the cannellini for 20 minutes more because I boiled it and then I took it away 20 minutes before they were done. They are going to absorb all the tomato sauce, all the sauce from the salsiccia and the flavor from the salvia and chili and garlic. 20 minutes are gone, and as you can see here, if you come. The water has disappeared. And in the meantime also you can see here I cut the salsiccia because I want the salsiccia more everywhere. Nice. Now it's time for us to eat lunch. Il pranzo è pronto. Buon appetito!